This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a high-quality photo and making a duplicate immediately. This protects the original. Open your chosen AI editor and load the copy, then decide whether you need background removal, in painting, or full generative change. Next, set canvas dimensions and resolution to match your output needs. Use a soft selection brush to mark areas to change. Keep edges slightly feathered so the AI blends better. Once done, run a quick preview pass to confirm the mask and initial AI suggestion look plausible. Now you refine control by editing prompts and mask settings. Tell the AI exactly what you want. Describe lighting, color temperature, and compositional tweaks, because precision yields fewer unwanted artifacts. Reduce generation strength when you want subtle changes, or increase it for dramatic edits. Alter the seed or randomizer slightly between passes to get options. Use layer opacity and feathering to blend AI output into the photo. Make 3 to 5 iterations. Review at 100% zoom, and save distinct. Finish by exporting a lossless copy and saving the editable project file so you can revisit changes. Perform manual cleanup with clone and healing tools to remove small AI artifacts, then apply global color grading and sharpening as the last step to unify the image. If you encounter odd distortions or mismatched lighting, revert to the previous mask, lower generation strength by 10 to 30%, or rerun with a different seed. That usually resolves artifacts without losing your creative direction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.